How to delete a website in your Hostinger account. So anytime you can remove a website from your account, all you're gonna have to do is to open your hpanel.hostinger.com. Now on the left, go to website section, and once you are here, you will find all your active websites, and on the right we want to click on three dots in the line which website you want to delete or remove. So for example, this one, and here simply click delete, the red option. This step will permanently delete your website and all related data, and your site will no longer be accessible online. So if you want to really remove that, mark this option and click delete to finish the process. Now it says your website is being deleted. It can take up to 10 minutes. Simply click on done and you are finished. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.